when opinion makers, lawmakers, decision makers, they refuse to stand by truth, or they start counting dead bodies with the dollars, then the best judge are the people. It may be Kashmiris, it may be Sikhs in Punjab, those who have faced one after the other genocide. Over 150,000 Sikhs has been killed in the last 4 decades. And I'll request the senior Kashmiri leadership as well. There was silence on their part. I think they should come forward. We have worked for last 30 years here. Our pain is the same. Our fate is the same. Our enemy is the same. And the solution for all of us is the same. That is freedom, freedom, freedom. Dividing Sikhs and Muslims, making fight with each other won't be successful. We all must hang together. Otherwise, we will be hanged separately.
Indian forces from Kashmir! Kill our forces from Kashmir! Indian forces from Khalistan! Indian forces from Khalistan!
Brothers and sisters, we are here at the world famous Times Square in the court of the people. When opinion makers, lawmakers, decision makers, they refuse to stand by truth, or they start counting dead bodies with the dollars, then the best judge are the people. Kashmir, Khalistan, Northeast India, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram are hundreds of millions of so-called untouchables by Brahmins degree, Dalits, over 200 million Indian Muslims, over 30 million Christians in India. They are facing what the Jews, Gypsies, Catholics, physically handicapped, communists, civil libertarians faced in Nazi Germany in the 1930s. When Second World War was over and the story of tyranny of the Nazis and fascists was out, one slogan which was raised in the air here was never again, never again. But brothers and sisters, that is happening again in a country which calls itself as the largest democracy on this planet. And remember, Nazi Germany, its name was Socialist Republic of Germany, and Hitler didn't seize power through coup. He came through the voting system, the same voting system which Modi, as a representative of majority, which we call as majoritarianism, he won in 2014, and playing the same hatred card, he won again in 2019. What is happening in India? Look at what Amnesty International says, what Human Rights Watch says, what the different resolutions now even in the European Parliament, when in regards to Kashmir we are talking, briefings in US Congress, briefings in European Union Parliament, they are the pressure. And remember one thing, sometimes our people think that what difference does it make if we protest here, if we do rallies here, if we shout slogans here. No, brothers and sisters, that makes a difference. If Modi was compelled to call 14 pro-Indian Kashmiri leaders, those who always said we are proud Indians, those who always said that Article 370, Article 35A grants us a special status. We in Jammu and Kashmir has a separate flag. We in Jammu and Kashmir has a separate national anthem. Now those 14 leaders, those who went to Modi to meet him without any agenda, without any release of thousands of political prisoners, those who are not languishing in Jammu Kashmir jails. They have been sent in different states of India so that their family members, their loved ones may not be able to meet them. They went there. They said, and this is their statement from so-called Gupkar group, that we were disappointed as this even meeting was held due to the pressure of diaspora communities. What we do here, that effects, it may be an eye wash, but there is no doubt about that after August 5th, 2019, when India did a constitutional gundagardi by using the majority, they turned out whatever was for them sacrosanct in constitution. When they take oath on the constitution, the same constitution had Article 370 in the basic draft of Indian constitution, but it took 2 minutes for that killer Amit Shah. And remember, Modi and Amit Shah, these two Billa Rangas, these two murderers are the same who were in Gujarat in 2002. Amit Shah was the Home Minister, Modi was the Chief Minister, when thousands of Muslims were cold-bloodedly murdered there. The message is very clear. They are not going to give away whatever they have snatched through this constitutional gundagardi. This is the time where we must give a message. We all must hang together. When in the beginning I mentioned that it may be Kashmiris, it may be Sikhs in Punjab, those who have faced one after the other genocide, over 150,000 Sikhs has been killed in the last 4 decades with fake staged encounters. The same methodology which is being applied in Kashmir, they had a laboratory in Punjab between 1984 and 1994. The same thing is being repeated, and this is very important that we understand that. I like to mention one unfortunate incident which happened in Kashmir, and I'll tell you that what is the strength of those who are fighting against the enemy, strength of being together. When on August 5th, 2019, constitutional gundagardi was done, Sikhs and Kashmiris from London to Vancouver, they were together protesting against Modi. When hundreds of Kashmiri girls, there was fear of they being dishonored in India. Sikhs were the one who took them under their shelter, made arrangement for their air flights and landed them safely in their homes. But what is happening today, under the guise of 1 or 2 incidents in Kashmir, now you will look that as you have Renta Kashmiris like Apni party there, those who are talking the language of BJP, you have people like Manjinder Sarsa in Delhi, few other turbaned Sikhs, those who are emitting venom as they are using them to make us fight. And I'll request the senior Kashmiri leadership as well. There was silence on their part. I think they should come forward. We have worked for last 30 years here. In 1991, when we opened Khalistan Affairs Center in Washington, D.C., Dr. Fai was the first one to come to the office and give his comment on the entry register. For the past more than 30 years, we had been together. Our pain is the same, our fate is the same, our enemy is the same, and the solution for all of us is the same. That is freedom, freedom, freedom. And let us give this message as together. I'll raise 5 slogans for India out of Kashmir and 5 for India out of Khalistan. Let our voice of togetherness may go from here the time scale all over, that your game of divide and rule, dividing Sikhs and Muslims, making fight with each other won't be successful. And these are the very popular words of President Benjamin Franklin, that we all must hang together. Otherwise, we will be hanged separately. This is the time Sikhs, Muslims, Christians, Dalits, tribals, all should come together, and one point agenda should be that this Modi regime, which is in line with the Nazi regime, as Nazi slogan was one race, one nation, one people. Their slogan is Hindu, Hindi, Hindustan. Those three dirty Ds they are implementing in Kashmir. They are changing the demographics. They have given hundreds of thousands of domicile certificates to the people, Hindus of majority state. They are doing delimitation. They will have Jammu province have more seats in the assembly so that they should be able to undo whatever has been achieved even these 74 years. Let the message of togetherness go. India out of
Kashmir,
India out of
Palestine,
India out of
Kashmir,
India out of
Palestine,
India out of
Palestine,
India out of
Palestine,
India out of
Kashmir,
India out of
Palestine.
Thank you very much.
बहुत शुक्रिया डॉक्टर साहब। मैं तमाम जो हमारे डेमोस्ट्रेशन में आए हुए आज़ाद कश्मीर के और पाकिस्तानी भाई, उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि सब भाई ज़रा क्लोज आ जाएं। हमारे पास अब इतने ज़्यादा जो स्पीकर हैं वो नहीं रहे। जो लेफ़्ट और राइट के ऊपर बैठे हैं जितने भी हमारे भाई सारे ज़रा सामने आ जाएं। देखें, वो हमारे राइट साइड के ऊपर, आपके लेफ़्ट साइड के ऊपर एक शो चल रहा है, उसको कितने लोग मुनज़्ज़म तरीके से देख रहे हैं। तो मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि जितने भाई पीछे खड़े हैं, सर हमें आपके